In this video, you will learn how to create an infinite logo marquee inside Webflow. On the Webflow homepage, you can see a small scrolling row of brand logos. It moves without stopping. It feels clean. This effect is called a logo marquee or an infinite logo scroll. It's a small touch that makes the site feel more professional. You will learn how to build this same effect inside Webflow using the interaction panel. We do not need any custom code or custom script. We can build this entire logo marquee inside Webflow using their native interaction panel. So let's get started to see how we can build this together. I'm starting with a blank canvas inside Webflow. I'm starting by adding a section inside Webflow, and let's give it some padding above and bottom, and let's name it something like marquee section. Now let's add a div block inside marquee section and name it marquee container. Now let's give the marquee grid a width of 100, vertical width 100%, and a minimum width of 100% as well, so it always fills the entire space. Now let's duplicate the marquee grid and let's set the layout of the marquee container to flex, and let's give it a space of 24 pixels. So we can see now the logo placed successfully here. Now we will need to add some interaction for the marquee container. Let's go to the interaction panel and let's add a page trigger. So I'm selecting page load. When page starts loading, let's start an animation and let's create a timed animation from here. I'm naming it logo marquee or something. You can rename it anything. And for action, I will set move. So when the interaction starts, it will be in a 0% position, like this will stays as it is currently here. So it will stay in the same position, and I'm setting this as initial state. Then we will add another action and same as move, and when it for this we will need to move this to -100% so that we can see the rest of the logos here. And the duration, like for now I'm giving it 7 seconds just to see how it works. And we will need to add add another action here. Like for move, when it reaches 100%, it will move to -100, and then we will set it with 0% again. 0% again, and it should be 0. So if we save and let's preview this. Now you can see once it reaches 100%, it starts again. Let's make the animation a bit smooth. So when it reaches 100%, we can increase the duration of the animation. Like for example, I'm giving it to 24 seconds, so it will feel like more smooth. So if I select preview, then you can see it's moving quite nicely. So that's how you can make a smooth logo marquee inside Webflow. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate if you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I will come up with some more videos with some complex interaction or complex animation and other things.